All right, now I'm at Randy TV's house, chilling with Randy TV.
What was that? You hear me?
All right, so anyway, check this out. Here's Comic Con Wizard World 3D New Orleans. Okay. All right.
3D.
Yeah, 3D GA.
Oh,
So anyway, I guess you're gonna wait till tomorrow to go on.
can't wait tomorrow though.
Why?
Too much stuff I got going on.
Too much stuff like bourbon shit.
Yeah, very shit.
That bastard going on bourbon. Oh, what the hell, you know? I wonder what's the matter.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Pete done.
Pete Dunn.
Oh well.
Pete Dunn. Well, I can't believe you're waiting until tomorrow. I wonder why. Well, never mind. I'm wondering why. Okay. All right. So, about to do my YouTube live after this. You know.
You too, yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a YouTube live here, and a Facebook live here and stuff like that. Yeah. All right. Now switching over. Okay. All right. So
Why you tell me that's how it's gonna look?
well, I don't know. Well, all right then. I guess I might see y'all at Comic Con all by myself. Kristen ain't gonna be there today, but I don't know about tomorrow or Sunday. So you missed today. Will you go Sunday? Or you don't
It's
know?
on Saturday, man.
Well, I'll be down, bro.
Well, I don't know. I might go Sunday. I don't know. I'll let you know what's happening, bro.
All right, because you got for 3 days, and you gonna skip it out.
You don't go out for one day, bro.
You huh?
It ain't like I brought it to not go at all at none days.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I could have get at the body if possible.
Yeah, the Packers.
Yeah.
The ticket?
Yes, hell
My
yes.
ticket, why would you get my ticket to somebody else?
Because you bought it for nothing.
No.
Well, if you're not gonna go Sunday, give it to a lucky person. Well,
I don't, like I said, I don't know. I might not. You never know.
he ain't going. He lying.
You never know, bro.
Whatever, bro. All right. I'll see y'all at the place.